Okay, guys, here's an update on yeah, building a fence company. So um, I looked into this one piece of real estate down the road. I'm a veteran. I have access to a VA loan, but there's regulations and stipulations to that. So anyway, I got hooked up with a real estate guy, and then the next thing you know, we were talking about no money down thing with my VA thing, and I'd have to be a primary resident there. Okay, so that was all right. I thought, okay, I'm going to be down there most of the time with my fence company anyway. Okay, um, then the lender started going through. We started going through the paperwork and all this stuff, right? Let's see, and then I put down it was supposed to be a no money down thing. Okay, and then all of a sudden they want $5,000 for earnest money. Okay, no, okay, so okay, I give that to them. We were going to go through the motion. I got to build a fence company, moving forward, process is moving forward, and then all of a sudden I get another email, and they want all this paperwork that I don't even have. I'm a homeowner contract. I didn't want no mortgage or anything like that, so my house is paid for. I don't even know where to get these paperwork and stuff. But anyway, whatever, right? The point is, then I told him. He says, "Well, how are you going to put the money in there, right? Because he needed my other bank documents for my personal account, right? And because that's what's supposed to be my personal thing. It wasn't supposed to be on my fence company. But I mean, that's all mine anyway, right? But anyway, so what it was is what got me was he said that I wouldn't be able to make some big transfers from my fence company account to my personal account to pay for the mortgage and all that stuff, and all the closing costs and all that, and no money down. It ended up being about 13 grand for a house to put down or to get into it, and I was like, anyway, so I was taking a shower last night, I'll tell you, and this is what it was. There's two big words that came into my head, was unethical and deceiving. And I'm working hard at running an honest business here, and it would have been very unethical and deceiving if I'd have followed through on getting this place for me to put my fence company on, to and the way they explained it. And the VA don't play, man. I don't want anything to happen, man. I worked too hard to get where I'm at. You know what I mean? So anyway, I explained that to the guys this morning. I just went up and I said, guys, I apologize for putting us down this road here, but I had to back out of the deal because of this. And I explained to them, what was going on, the voices I heard in my head. So I got to stick with that, man. Unethical and deceiving. And so, if you guys are out there looking at buying a place, just be careful, man, because it started at no money down. It was supposed to be 385 and 1,000. The next thing you know, I had to jump up to 5% interest, and then it was like 398,000, and then I still had to come up with money, for a no money down, for being deceptive and unethical. So anyway, I know God's got or I know there's something out there for me, and it's already planned for. So, but it can't be this way, And so, if you're paying attention and watching to the end of this, I'm just working hard at running an honest business here. So, anyway, with that, yeah, it's going to be 20% to put down for the fence company on something like that. And 20%, I mean, my goodness, they're talking about 40 grand. Come on, man. 40 grand, that'd wipe me out. I can't have that. That'd take food off my employees' tables. Who'd want that? No, that ain't happening. So anyway, I got to stick with my guns and just do the right thing. And I'm sure you would too. Anyway, with that, yeah, it's time. It was 4:20 right there. I just seen it go. So it's 4:29, 4:20 time. So you guys keep smiling and have a great day. And if you guys get these voices in your head that tell you something's wrong, it probably is. Something's wrong. Just listen to the voices, man. Listen to the voices, because they're not gonna steer you wrong, man. Anyway, yeah, it was a kind of a struggle. It was a hard decision to make, but I had to make the decision and back out of the deal. So with that, guys, keep smiling and have a great day.